Good day, everyone. I'm Justin L. Sango from BS Ed Math 3A. So today I will present my final project task number 6, which is we will investigate the left and right cosets of the different subgroups, normal subgroup and coset groups isomorphic to Zn, and other known group structure. So we have here our improper subgroup, which is the group itself, wherein the group G is equal to element JUNCRISDLOVEMATH under operation star. So here we will investigate the subgroups, which are the subgroup G2, G3, G4, G5 until to G18. And for our objectives, we will check the 1, 2, 3, go. And for the objectives, we will check the left and right cosets, check if the subgroups are normal, and the index of the subgroups, order of an element, and the factor group. So without further ado, let's get started. So here, here is the table that is the basis when we operate two elements. So dito natin i-check kapag mag-operate tayo ng dalawang operation. So next. So let's start with subgroup G2 is equal to element J and J R under operation star. So here, this is the left coset. So always remember that if we are operating left cosets, the elements are always in the left and the subgroup that is being operated is always in the right. So now let's operate. So J star subgroup G2 is equal to JR, which is J star J is equal to J, J star R is equal to R. So now let's move on to U. U star J is equal to U, U star R is equal to I. And next element is N. So N star J is N, and N star R is S. Next element is C. C star J is equal to C. C star R is equal to D. And that's all. So next element is R. R star R R star J is equal to R. R star R is equal to J. And next, I star J is equal to I star R is equal to U. Next, S star J is equal to S star R is equal to N. And the element D or D is D star J is equal to D, and D star R is equal to C. And now let's proceed to L. L star J is equal to L. L star R is equal to M. And O star J is equal to O. O star R is equal to A. V star J is equal to V. And V star R is equal to T. A star J is equal to E. E star R is equal to H. M star J is equal to M. M star R is equal to L. A star J is equal to E. A star R is equal to O. T star J is equal to T. T star R is equal to V. And V and H star J is equal to H. And H star R is equal to E. So that's the left cosets and the right coset. So unlike the left coset, so the element in left coset is always on the left. But now in right cosets, the element is always in the right. And the subgroup that is being operated is always on the left. So let's start to operate. So J star J is equal to J, J star R is equal to R, and J star U is equal to U. So R star U is equal to I, and J star N is equal to N, R star N is equal to S, J star C is equal to C, R star C is equal to D, and J star R is equal to R star R is equal to J. Next is J star I is equal to I, and R star I is equal to U, and J star S is equal to S, R star S is equal to N. Next is J star D is equal to D, R star D is equal to C, and next, and J star D is equal to D, so to D, R star D is equal to C, and J star L is equal to L, R star L is equal to M, and J star O is equal to O, R star O is equal to A, J star V is equal to V, and R star V is equal to T, and J star A is equal to E, and R star E is equal to H, and J star M is equal to M, and R star M is equal to L. Next is J star A is equal to A, and R star A is equal to O, and J star T is equal to T, and R star T is equal to V, and J star H is equal to H, and R star H is equal to E. So here is the conclusion. So the left cosets are J element J R U I N S C D L M O A V T and E H. And the right cosets are G R U A N S C D L M O A U T V T E H. And since the left and right cosets are the same, it's a normal subgroup. And next, let's check the order of the factor group. So the group has 16 elements, and since this subgroups has 2 elements, therefore 18 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So the order of the factor group is 8. And the index is, since we have 8 cosets in the right cosets, then the index is 8 also. So the order of an element, so subgroup G2 is equal to element J R under operation star. So the J, the order of element of J is 2 and R is equal to 2 also. So the next is subgroup G3 is equal to element JL under operation star. So just like the subgroup G2, we will find the left cosets and the right cosets. So here is the left coset and the right coset. So the conclusion of subgroup G3 is, so left cosets are GL, UH, NT, CA, RM, IE, GV, ISB, and DO. So the right cosets are JL, VO, NV, IUO, NV, RE, IM, TM, IM, ST, DM. And the conclusion is, since left and right cosets are not the same, it is not normal subgroup. And the order of the factor group, and since it is not normal group, since it is not normal group, the order of the factor group does not exist. And the index is right cosets have 8 cosets cosets, therefore the index is 8. And the order of the elements, so G is equal to 2 and L is equal to 2 also. So subgroup G4 is equal to JO under operation star. So just like kanina, so this is the left cosets and this is the right cosets. And here is the conclusion for subgroup G4. So left cosets are JO, UL, NH, CT, RA, IM, SE, DV, and the right causes are JO, UV, NE, CM, RA, IT, SH, DL. And since the left and right causes are not the same, this is not normal group. And the factor group is, since the subgroup is not normal subgroup, then the factor group does not exist also. So the index is, since right cosets and has 8 cosets, the index is equal to 8. And the order of the elements, so the order of elements J is equal to 2 and O is equal to 2 also. Next is the subgroup G5, which has an element of JV under the operation star. So this is the left coset, and this is the right coset, and this is the conclusion. So the left cosets are GV, VO, NL, CH, RT, IA, SM, DE, and the right cosets are JV, UE, NM, CA, RT, IH, SE, DO. And since left and right cosets are not the same, therefore the subgroup is not normal subgroup. And since the subgroup G5 is not a normal subgroup, the factor group does not exist also. And the index, so the index is 8 since the right cosets has 8 cosets. And the order of the element J and V is equal to 2. So the next is subgroup G6, which has an element of GE under operation star. So this is the left coset, this is the right coset, and this is the conclusion. So the left cosets are GE, UV, NO, CL, RH, IT, SA, DM. And the right causes are GE, UM, NA, CT, RH, IL, SO, DV. And since right and left cosets are not the same, subgroup G6 is not normal subgroup. And the index is 8 since the right cosets has 8 distinct cosets. Therefore, the index is 8. So the factor group, and since subgroup G6 is not normal subgroup, factor group does not exist. So the order of the element J and E is equal to 2.